welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. So this wig is a 4x4 closure wig. This is in the loose deep texture and it is 24 inches. I said to my baby hairs, y'all ain't gonna play with me today. We had a sit down talk. So hopefully they hold up their end of the bargain. Really quickly, we're gonna go in with some tint mousse. It's actually been so long since I've done a curly wig like this. It feels like forever to me. To you guys, it might just seem like 2 weeks ago. But I missed me some curly wigs. See the difference that makes, like compared to this side with the hair down. I just like to push it away, put some freeze spray or whatever spray you got, and it'll hold it in place. Once I clean up the part with the powder, it's gonna look so good. So I'm not worried about it. I'm also trying not to like mess with the curls too much because it is already beautiful. I'm gonna go in with my powder. feel about that middle baby hair, guys. This one, maybe if we just sweep it over here. Look how easy that was, you guys. Except the baby hairs. Comment below if they were playing games with me today, because I think they were. So I just put some conditioner on the hair with some water. This wig is definitely stretch length 24, because when you stretch it, that's when it shows 24 inch. When it's in its styled length, it looks a little bit shorter to me, but that's just something for you guys to be aware of. If you're getting this wig and you want it to look really long, like a traditional 24 styled length, maybe get a 28 inch or a 26 inch. The wig is absolutely gorgeous. The curl pattern is beautiful. It says it's a loose deep. I don't really remember what a loose deep looks like. If you tell me it's a loose deep, then it's a loose deep. Okay, we're gonna go with that. The curls are absolutely beautiful. So I did bleach this wig off camera, the knots on the unit, and it looked really good. I actually left the bleach on for about an hour and a half or more because I was doing some stuff around the house. I kind of forgot about it. It is fairly full for a curly wig. Like, it's really not like thin, but it's not too big. It's just giving very natural density. I love the curl pattern on the unit. It's very beautiful curls. The ends look very healthy. The hair feels very soft. So much so that I didn't want to put any like mousse on it. I did put a bit like to lay the top and like around this area, but I knew I just wanted to like leave it soft feeling. So I put some conditioner and water, and then I just kind of blow dried the hair just lightly to get the curls to kind of really poof up. But of course, if we want to make this wig bigger, we can definitely do that by like pulling through the curls. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked in the beginning, like not so combed through. So let's see now. Did she get bigger? Okay, so that's with her combed through. Looks beautiful, looks gorgeous. It's fitting snug but not too tight. It's just a really comfortable wig, and yeah, I'm not really feeling any tracks as I run my hands through it. The hair just feels so soft, you guys. I really like it. I think it's something that you guys should check out if you're into this curl pattern. Really beautiful, really natural looking, and it feels really nice. So my final thoughts on this unit is I really like it. I think it's super cute, super soft. Overall, for a closure wig, I am pretty impressed with it. That is the end of this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, informative, or you just enjoyed watching me attempt to slay these baby hairs, leave me a thumbs up, a like. You know, it really does go a long way. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the baby hairs. Did they play with me today, or did they behave? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.